Hello beautiful people, it's your favorite girl Munnoh. I am back with another Gele video tutorial. This particular video was requested by a subscriber. The measurement that I am using for this style is 50-50. 50-50 means that the Gele will be divided into two equal parts. Then I take in at least 1 inch and then I place it on my model's head and make a few base pleats. In this case, I have made 3 base pleats. Now I'm going to place it at the back of the model's head because the style we're doing requires that we start from the back. After placing it on her head, I'm going to ask her to hold on to one side of the Gele while I arrange the pleats that I made on the other side. After arranging that side, I'm going to ask her to hold on to it while I move on to the other side and repeat the same exact process. Now I am done arranging all the pleats on both sides of the Gele. Please pay attention to how I crossed the flaps to form that crisscross that you saw there. Okay, I also ensured that my crossing forms a perfect V at the center of her face. At this point, I am going to secure the flaps to the base of the Gele using pins. I'll advise that you use office pins so that they are not visible on this style. I didn't have office pins available, so I had to make use of my long pins. After securing the flaps to the base, I'm going to begin forming my ruffles. I believe that the rest of the video is self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. If you enjoy this video or if you have watched this video to this point and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, why don't you consider subscribing so that you can become a part of this awesome family? When you do subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my new uploads. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful to you. You can support this channel by sharing this video, leaving me a comment in the comment section, liking this video, and also joining the channel. Okay, if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment section. If you have any style that you would like me to recreate, please send them to me on Instagram. My handle is in the description area. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. It's in the description area and it's also on your screen right now. If you would like me to make any of the styles into an auto Gele for you, please reach out to me on Instagram and I'll be delighted to be of service. Alright, if you are a bride or you are a bridesmaid and you want us to recreate any of this style for your Ashwebi girls, we will gladly do that. We also make bulk orders. Okay, so please check out my Instagram page so that you can see the amazing auto Gele designs that we make, and it will be an honor to recreate one for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until I come your way next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Remember, Jesus loves you.